Hi, and welcome to the fourth and last installment of this mini-series about how to build a full-stack application with Next.js and Strapi in less than 1 day. As the last step, I wanted to include how to generate metadata. If we look into the main page, we can add a generate metadata here, like so. Perfect. We would like to pull the metadata from the Strapi. So we have a very nice plugin for this. Let's add it. I will add a single type now called homepage. And on the bottom right here, we can see a component type. We will select that. We will add use an existing component, select component, and right here we can find the shared SEO component. We will select that. We will call it SEO and we will add that it's not repeatable. It's only one single component. We will hit finish and we will hit save. If we go now to the content manager, we can see the home page right here and we have this SEO component. So if we click on it, we see the meta title. We can add something like Notum x Strapi and we can hit publish. In single types, we also need to add the role permissions. We will find the users and permissions plugin. We will select roles, public. We will find the home page and we will add find and we will hit save. Perfect. Now we can go into code and pull this data from Strapi. First of all, I would like this function to be async function. So I will add async here. And just to have nice typing, I would like to import type metadata. Now we will want to await the SEO from Strapi. So we will add a const SEO fetch 1 this time. And here we will select the home page we just added. In order to populate all the data that we need, we will skip the second parameter. And in the third, we can populate the new data, and there we can see SEO and we will set it to true. We will also need to add an await here, SEO data, SEO, and meta title, or an empty string if it doesn't exist. We still need to go into this Strapi file and we will still need to add the home page here. So we will add the home page like so, and we will add the home page here. I hope this helps. You can then host the application anywhere you want. You can take it to Heroku. We have some predefined configs for Heroku there, but you can also host it on Vercel and host Strapi in the Strapi cloud. I hope these videos were helpful. If you need help with anything, you can write into the repo an issue or start a discussion. Reach out. We will be more than happy to help you. As a small side note, we are currently working on improving the APIs, so all this is subject to change in the future, but stay tuned in the GitHub repo and reach out if you need any help in the discussion or in the issues. Bye.